Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Square Inventory. So first things first, you have to go to Square dashboard, sign in with your Square account right here. For me, the easiest is to just by connecting it to my Google account. So click this one. Now you need to answer some basic questions here so that Square will know what is really your focus. So you just have to create an account first. Just add your email address here, password, agree with the terms and condition, and then create an account. So you can add the name of the company here or business name, also business address. So you just have to select and then look for the address right here. Now after that, you can now proceed. And then this time what you're going to do next is select what you primarily sell as your company. So you have to select from any of the option or products below. If you can find it, then you can select others right here and then proceed. Now what's your annual revenue? So you can select as is, and then here is the dashboard. So what you're going to do here or how to use this one, first in the dashboard you have to access inventory. So to do that you have to go to the left hand menu, or in the left hand menu click items, and then you have to look for item library. This is where you will add, edit, and manage your products. Now create item, enter item details like the name, category, description. You can add price, you can select location, you can set if this one is under stock or enable track stock. Enter your starting quantity, and then after that save. You can also upload a picture. Then you can go back to your library to recheck your product. So if you want also to update your stocks here on your Square, then all you have to do is go back, go to item library, and then select an item. You can edit this, so you can choose if you want to update the channel, if you want to update the stock, and so on. You can also set low stock alerts right here. And then after that, you can create more items if you want. You can also do bulk upload or update items. And then after that, here on the left side, you can see different options such as payment invoices. You can set up your payment invoices here. If you want to create a website, then tap on online. You can build and create a website here. And then also for customers information, you can go back and then tap on customers right here. Here you will see customer contracts and loyalty, also reports, staff, banking, and so on. So basically, this is just a few information about how to use Square Inventory. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.